Hi there, this is Lucas from UQ Army. In this video, we'll go over one of the oldest and most reliable types of QR codes, the website QR code. Website QR codes are one of, if not the most popular types of QR codes because you can link them to any URL. You can use a website QR code to show, well, your website, your blog, your social media platform of choice, or anything that has a URL. You can even use it to access a file in Google Drive, for example, by copying and pasting the address. And since we're talking about dynamic QR codes, you can change the URL it links to whenever you want. Website QR codes can be used for literally anything. From businesses to personal endeavors, everything has a URL. And linking one to a QR code will make accessing the content faster and simpler. And that's the big thing with website QR codes. Instead of typing a URL, you can have people scan the QR code and access your content in seconds. If you want to create a website QR code, all you need to do is register to UQ Army, click Create QR, and select the type. It's as simple as that. Well, that's it for now. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like, share it with your colleagues, leave us your comments or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about QR codes. See you later and take care.